This is a 2010 Toyota Sienna. This minivan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. All of the following features are included: third-row seats, traction control and stability control systems, a rear window defroster, variable valve timing, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 32,000 miles. This minivan also has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Payne Brownsville for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership at 4017 North Expressway in Brownsville.